If you've ever said, I'd buy a house, but my credit, this is the video for you. Welcome to House Hunters Anonymous. My name is Wendy, and I am your HHA sponsor. Let's talk about credit, the real version, not the scary internet one. Credit is the number one reason people wait years longer than they need to buy a home. Not because their credit is terrible, but because they think it is. And somewhere along the way, credit became this shame thing. Like, you don't have an 800 score, you're not ready. That's just not how home buying actually works. First reality check. You do not have a credit score. You have multiple credit scores. The score you see on Credit Karma, that is not the score your lender uses. It's not lying, but it's not telling you the whole story either. Mortgage lending uses a different scoring model, and that's why buyers get shocked when they finally talk to a professional. Reality check number 2, you do not need perfect credit to buy a home. Let me say that again for the people in the back. You do not need perfect credit. There are loan options that work with lower scores than people expect, especially for first-time home buyers. I've helped people buy homes who told me there's no way I qualify. And they absolutely did. Here is what matters more than the score itself. How your credit is structured. Do you have recent late payments, old collections, high balances, a thin file? Those details matter way more than hitting some magical number. Two people can have the same score and completely different outcomes. This is important. Please hear me. Do not panic. Do not open random accounts. Do not close old accounts. Do not take advice from TikTok comments. Sorry. Credit fixes are strategy-based, not emotional. One wrong move can actually slow you down. Another myth I hear all the time is it'll take me years to fix my credit. Sometimes, sure, but many times it takes months or even weeks to make meaningful improvements. You don't know how your timeline looks until someone actually looks at your full picture. Here's the hard truth. Waiting without a plan doesn't fix your credit. It just delays your options. When buyers wait, prices change, rates change, rent changes. A simple conversation could have given them clarity, but fear kept them guessing. Credit is not a character judgment. It's not a measure of your worth, your intelligence, or your future. It's just a tool, and tools can be adjusted. My job as your HHA sponsor is to help you understand how to use it, not to scare you away from the process. If you're watching this thinking, okay, maybe my credit isn't as bad as I thought, that's your sign. You don't need to be ready. You don't need perfect credit. You just need clarity. Click on the link below in the comments. No pressure, no obligation. Let's look at your full picture and see what's actually possible. I'm Wendy, your House Hunters Anonymous sponsor, and I'll see you in the next reality check.